Hello bag lovers, how are you? Hope you're having a great time. Today I will be sharing with you my black bag haul that I bought 3 bags. This first bag is from the store called Miniso, Life Miniso, Japan. This is the bag, and as you can see, it is all plain black. It has this gunmetal hardware. The zipper pull is gunmetal. It's a shiny black that goes well with the material. On the inside, you can see black lining. So we have one pocket, 2 pockets on one side, and one zippered pocket on the other side. So you can also see the logo at the inside pocket. So it's just all in black. Then I haven't removed the plastic from the strap yet, so I'll remove them now for you. It's a bit hard to remove it because of the plastic. And then let's see what kind of leather material it is they used. So it is kind of a regular leatherette or fox leather material. So I'm now placing it without remove the plastic, so a bit hard for me to. Okay, and on the straps you can see some holes where you can adjust the length of the strap. So here how it looks like. So the design is like the belt used on our waist. So I have removed the other side for you, and the material is very nice. On to the next bag is a jelly material with a chevron design, and it has the gunmetal pull lock, and on the inside you can see it has this divider on the middle. So, and then let's close again. You can see the chain has this black leather, so very nice and classy. You can also adjust the strap, the sling, make it longer like so. So very nice. I think this will be very easy to clean, wipeable material. So very nice, very smooth material. I like it. Very smooth. Then on to the next bag. I have this mini sling bag, black sling bag with the material is like pebbled leather that is coated. So you can see it's shiny, and it comes with this sling that has part of it is the leather and some part of it is a gold chain. Let's try to remove. So now removing this sling, and now if you want to carry it like a clutch, you can do so. And Let's try. I have this strap from my other bag, small leather strap. Wow, it fits very nicely. It goes with it too. I think I want this more compared to the long strap. I'll be using this shorter strap, and I'll just place it on the crook of my arm. Look at the zippers. It's very shiny. Love the detail, the design of the zipper pull. On the front, it has this gold closure, magnet closure, and on the back it has the same zipper pull as the mid top hand top opening, but the zippers are all black. So let's see, the inside is some kind of brown wipeable material, and let's open. On the inside, it also has this brown wipeable material. So it has this zippered portion in the back. Oh, what's this? It has this chain. Wow, but it is fixed. And on the middle, another zippered compartment. And it has another pockets on the other side for some small items. Now let's see how it looks like if I place this chain. Oh, it's really nice. This, I think, is really inspired by the mini pochette, but they're trying to mimic the design. I really like it. I think I will use this very much. Let's try to remove again the strap that I placed from my other bag. Let's see. Oh, so this would also nice if I use it with just the chain that comes with it. I really like it. So very cute and simple and classy. I really like it. Now let's try to get the others again, my other bags that I have bought. But this bags I have bought even before the ECQ. I mean the quarantine came or started, so I haven't really purchased anything since the home quarantine. So these are the 3 bags that I bought, all 3 black bags. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and please continue to enjoy, relax, and thank God for these blessings.